3M Company, formerly known as the Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing Company, has established itself as a global leader in innovation across diverse industries. With a history spanning over a century, 3M has consistently demonstrated its ability to develop and commercialize groundbreaking technologies and products. In this video, we will explore the success story of 3M, highlighting its key strategies, culture of innovation, commitment to sustainability, and its impact on various industries. Culture of innovation. Core values driving innovation. 3M's success can be attributed in large part to its strong culture of innovation. The company's core values, including entrepreneurship, collaboration, and continuous improvement, create an environment that fosters creativity and encourages employees to think outside the box. This culture of innovation permeates all aspects of 3M's operations, from research and development to manufacturing and marketing. Post-it notes. A symbol of 3M's innovative culture. One of 3M's most iconic innovations is the Post-it note. Originally developed as a failed adhesive, 3M employee Spencer Silver recognized its potential and partnered with fellow employee Art Fry to create the now ubiquitous sticky notes. This exemplifies 3M's culture of encouraging employees to explore unconventional ideas and turn them into successful products. Diverse industries and product portfolio. Broad range of industries served. 3M's success lies in its ability to innovate across diverse industries. The company operates in sectors such as healthcare, transportation, consumer goods, electronics, and energy, among others. This broad range of industries allows 3M to leverage its technological expertise and develop innovative solutions for a wide array of applications. Vast product portfolio. 3M boasts a vast product portfolio that includes over 60,000 products. From adhesive tapes and abrasives to optical films and medical devices, 3M's products are widely recognized for their quality, reliability, and innovation. The company's ability to consistently introduce new products and adapt to evolving market needs is a testament to its commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements. Research and development excellence. Investment in R&D. 3M places a strong emphasis on research and development, investing heavily in innovation. The company consistently allocates a significant portion of its revenue to R&D activities, allowing it to drive technological advancements and develop new products. 3M's commitment to R&D has resulted in numerous breakthroughs and a strong intellectual property portfolio. Collaborative innovation centers. To further foster innovation, 3M has established collaborative innovation centers worldwide. These centers bring together researchers, scientists, and engineers from various disciplines to work collaboratively on solving complex problems and developing innovative solutions. By leveraging the collective expertise and diverse perspectives, 3M accelerates the pace of innovation and enhances its ability to address industry-specific challenges. Commitment to sustainability. Sustainable product design and manufacturing. 3M is committed to sustainable product design and manufacturing processes. The company strives to minimize its environmental impact by reducing waste, conserving energy, and improving resource efficiency throughout its operations. By integrating sustainability principles into its product development and manufacturing processes, 3M aims to create products that deliver value to customers while minimizing their ecological footprint. Environmental goals and initiatives. 3M has set ambitious environmental goals to further its commitment to sustainability. The company aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, water usage, and waste generation. In addition, 3M actively pursues initiatives to promote recycling, renewable energy, and responsible sourcing of raw materials. By prioritizing sustainability, 3M aims to create a positive impact on the environment while driving innovation and growth. Conclusion. The success story of 3M Company revolves around its culture of innovation, diverse industry presence, commitment to research and development, and sustainability initiatives. By fostering a culture that encourages creativity and collaboration, 3M has been able to consistently deliver groundbreaking products across various industries. The company's commitment to research and development, exemplified by its investment in innovation centers, enables it to stay at the forefront of technological advancements. Moreover, 3M's dedication to sustainability ensures that its products are not only innovative, but also environmentally responsible. As 3M continues to innovate and expand its global footprint, it remains a driving force in the world of innovation, leaving a lasting impact on industries and society as a whole.